Dave, want to do more with it? I swear to you, if you don't take this deal, I'm declaring you to freak out. Don't miss this earth-shattering outcome. All the age next. The $100,000 terrorist must play with money against Tennessee. Yeah. When did he start?
many workers will have somewhat responsible for what looking alone what board many words to the two couple words What on hold is go to the stars to say that for what I now going on travel and people for the last report so don't Going at the first address will place what price the wall what kind
After years of working EMT, my body took a toll and I had pain in every joint of my body, my back, my knees, my neck. I could not walk half a block
He says you did really good. And this so good that wants to report him. Yeah. Now, $124,000. $124,000. So let us ask you a question. Deal or no deal? Or as they say in Estonian,
Okay, the body of the lock. Alright, we're gonna go on my second protocol. See what's happening.
number 2. Now you said you served in our armed forces in the Navy. Anything dangerous happen? Right?
Right, so we're just storing a lot of explosives that they're going to be using for practice. Planes are coming up and they hit them. We have to get them in to the shipmates and take all the bombs and get them over and shut them outside and get them messages.
Did you save people's lives?
I wouldn't wish that for them.
I hope you're not being
They don't share food in there like
I'll
home
find
food.
out. All right.
Miss Gail, let's see one man come over there called Gail trouble a while ago. This morning, couldn't chick him with a knife.
$500,000 to try. But
Nobody not lock,
still there.
nobody not lock you up.
Keep that in now. One more case.
Number 4,
Daisy.
Yeah, food ready?
Daisy, open your case and stay away from
What you have?
$750,000.
Oh boy. You want fried chicken, pork and fried chicken. Fried chicken curry gravy.
You only have to open one case at a time. You feel lucky enough to stay away from the $750,000. That's a big decision.
Medium.
Let's listen to this offer. What you
Medium
think?
well.
Might say
Ah,
all
yeah.
of the England lose
Finish
in that
food.
place.
Hello.
How much that in total, miss?
Do you want to think about it? Okay. It went down. You only have to open one case.
1600. You want juice? You want juice? That's
One
not
case only.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Still, $750,000 in play. He said, take your time.
Can water?
You're going to take some
Can
time.
water?
Dave's going to think about it. Is he going to take the $99,000? Is he going to go all the way to the corner
I stuff them harder here.
right here? So,
Them harder.
back, find out the decision.
Why you gonna tell me say
Hang
that
up.
stuff, brother?
Yeah, hang up.
Oh, look. So this is the marketplace? And these are Estonian
Yeah, tell me
souvenirs.
something harder.
Hang up naman. Oh, siya, wala.
26 stars. 3,900. Okay. 1,500 pros. 2,000 pros. That's all I
Hey,
got.
you're not buying
Deal
a food, man.
or
You're
no
gonna
deal?
buy food.
No deal.
When you forward, you can buy food. What kind of style that
You can wrap them around 2 each.
And then the
Pamula. Yes, son.
Do what you know. Yeah.
Pwede.
What sea mammal has a name that
Diba
stands
po?
Yeah, over there.
kingfish?
Ako
Correct answer
taxi.
is porpoise. Challenger.
Sa UFI ba yung food fee?
Why they didn't just say with pigfish?
Hindi ko.
You buy it.
Hindi ko.
Only on
Then when you come in a bit of food fee, go
I
food.
couldn't get my
Hello, tell siya na ako kung bali na ito. Pero ako ba? Eh? Dito naman ang sabi niya sabi. Eh? Yes, sir. Kaya ito tayo ang girl na kaya rin mo.
Let me find
Still
out
working for
what
me.
I try to say. Let me find out.
Hi, Christina again. I'm here to tell you about
I said run boat, you know, so you realize the difference. You see the difference? I said run a boat.
You already
Okay?
know.
Yeah, man, you can
Has been making water feel great for more than 65 years, and now they're bringing you the special special TV offer. We're giving you 50% off installation and postponing all payments for up to 1 year. Jacuzzi bathroom model has been designed
Again,
to
I
love
haven't
at a
like at the
price
first.
you can
You
afford.
did it.
And special
Why do you have to wait till you're tired? They go
in as
tired.
little as 1
They
day.
think you know I
No
sleep too.
stress and no mess. Ready to see your new
You
shower?
never been able to come out of your house and anyhow, a lady when we did have next week, you know, so she just wait and she can come.
I called one day, I had a shower, I could
You
feel
know, take it
safe.
here.
No matter your situation, Jacuzzi Bathroom Model has a solution for you. From a safer,
1600, so
easy-to-enter shower
800
to
at
features
least.
like grab bars and a custom seat to keep you feeling comfortable and independent at home. Stunning family
is why we
bathroom
asked her,
How
so she
about
would.
a luxurious upgrade?
Five
Design great for years to come. Plus, they're built to last with a lifetime warranty from an iconic brand you know you can trust.
No, I'm
Done the same thing. Did not have to wait. It's absolutely perfect. Exactly what I was dreaming of. If you haven't already experienced what Jacuzzi Bathroom Model can do
Go
for
ask
you,
me, go.
your family,
I
and your
am.
home,
You know,
don't
sleep
wait
and I
too
can
long.
see but they need it that day. Watch how she answer. Mail of 5,000. You remember I juice
Special
too.
TV offer today.
Call or go online right now for a very limited time offer. Only weeks left to get 50% off installation. With no interest and no
Yeah,
fees for up
restaurant
to 1
have
year.
people come with
Plus a free
5,000.
safety upgrade.
Here they don't have to pay fee for
Yeah,
it.
sponsor about the
Or call 800
Yeah, you know, I pay fee for it.
That's 800-993-0289. Call now.
It's here. Introducing the all-new Club Jenny, powered by Jenny Craig. Everything you need to support weight loss, wellness, and healthy living in one place.
You wanna go check in,
Your schedule. Get access to the prepared and ready in minutes. One-on-one coaching and personalized meal plans. Easy and everything on demand. Whatever your goal, you are in control. Start now and get our just $90 a month at Club Jenny.
In 2 seconds.
You have everything.
Mistake.
Since now, from
Get the hassles and sell with confidence.
Say it for me, it's not sleep on my bed.
Request a cash offer. Text and join.
Because